Hey there, space enthusiasts. Ready to have your mind blown with some out of this world trivia about our very own solar system? Buckle up because we're diving right in. First up, the Sun. Did you know that the Sun contains 99.86% of the mass in our solar system? It's like the heavyweight champ of space. And just to give you a sense of scale, you could fit about 1 million Earths inside the Sun. Crazy, right? Now let's zoom over to Mercury. This little guy is the smallest planet in our solar system and closest to the Sun. But guess what? Despite being so close, Mercury isn't the hottest planet. That title goes to Venus. Mercury is like that coffee you forgot on your desk, cold on one side, scorching on the other. Speaking of Venus, it's hot enough to melt lead. Yeah, temperatures here can soar up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, or 482 degrees Celsius. It's got a runaway greenhouse effect that makes it the solar system's very own sauna. All right, Earth, our cozy blue planet. Here's a fun one. Did you know Earth is not a perfect sphere? It's an oblate spheroid because it's slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. Think of it as a cosmic dad bod. Jumping to Mars, the red planet. Mars has the largest volcano in the entire solar system, Olympus Mons. It's about 13.6 miles high. That's like stacking 3 Mount Everests on top of each other. Now, the asteroid belt, it's not as dense as Hollywood makes it seem. The objects are so spread out that if you were standing on one asteroid, the nearest one would be like hundreds of miles away. So, no dodging asteroids like in Star Wars. Jupiter, the gas giant. This behemoth has a storm, the Great Red Spot, that's been raging for at least 400 years. It's so big you could fit Earth into it 3 times. Talk about a windy city. Next, Saturn, everyone's favorite ringed planet. But did you know Saturn would float if you could find a bathtub big enough? It's less dense than water. Imagine that rubber ducky floating next to a whole planet. Uranus is up next. This planet is unique because it rotates on its side. It's like the solar system's oddball, rolling around instead of spinning like a top. Finally, Neptune. This deep blue planet has the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching up to 1,200 miles per hour. It's like a never-ending cosmic hurricane. And a quick nod to Pluto, the dwarf planet. Though it got demoted, it's still a fascinating world with its own moons and heart-shaped glacier. So there you have it, folks. Some mind-blowing trivia about our solar system. Now go impress your friends with your stellar knowledge. Stay curious and keep looking up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to the channel. Albo.